friends, and welcome back to my channel. I really hope that you enjoy my video tutorials and have fun crocheting all these colorful amigurumi. Here in Bulgaria, summer is in the air, so today I'm going to show you 5 of my summer amigurumi. You can make them for your little ones or as a gift for your friends and family. Let's get started. Number 1. My ice cream keychain. The first thing that comes to my mind when hearing the word summer, of course, is a delicious ice cream. Last year, I've made an easy tutorial for this mini ice cream keychain. The ice cream is 10 centimeters long and I'm using one of my favorite crochet stitches, the waffle stitch. Number 2. My ice cream monsters. Speaking of ice cream, I turned into a real ice cream monster during summer and I never can have enough of the ice cream. That's how I came up with the idea to create my colorful ice cream monster. They are funny and really easy to crochet. Each monster is 12 centimeters tall and you can choose your favorite colors to make them. Also, I think that this monster can be a nice gift surprise for your little ones. Number 3. My mini octopuses. My favorite color is blue and my favorite place to visit is the sea. I live in Sofia, which is the capital of Bulgaria. It's a city surrounded by mountains. It's very beautiful, but I'm in love with the sea and each year I can't wait to go there. So here comes my third summer idea for amigurumi. These cute colorful octopuses. They are really easy to crochet. I think maybe you can crochet both in just an hour or so. The big one is 4 centimeters tall and the small one is just 2.5 centimeters tall. And also you can easily transform them into a cute keychains as I did. My friends really like them. Number 4. My scuba diving octopuses. And if you like octopuses, you will fall in love with these two. They are two adorable scuba diving octopuses. I made them last year. I was inspired by a cartoon image I saw somewhere. The head, the body, and the tentacles are crocheted as one piece. For the mask, you will need a thinner yarn and a little bit of patience, but the final result is worth it. I even keep one of them on my desk to remember the sunny days when outside is raining or snowing. The octopuses are 6 centimeters tall and you should definitely give them a try. Number 5. My little cute mermaid. My final summer idea is for another beautiful sea creature, these pretty little mermaids. In the last few months, my little daughter is obsessed with mermaids, so I've decided it's time to crochet her one. And here she is. The mermaids requires more time and yarn, especially the hair, but you will create something really beautiful and unique. The mermaid is approximately 25 centimeters long and has, as I already said, a fabulous hair. I'm sure your little one will adore her. All you can do now is just grab your hook, choose a tutorial, and have some fun. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon.